I served everyone with joy, but love never came. I don't even know if marriage is still for me. I'm tired. I don't want to hope again.
This woman is beautiful, but is she married? Your face looks peaceful, familiar.
Ah, yes. I've been coming here all my life.
These peppers are fresh and perfect for your recipes. Let me help you choose the best ones.
Thank you, Ma. I was actually thinking of which one to choose. Auntie, please don't be offended. Are you married?
No, life just didn't go the way I hoped.
Same for me. I lost my wife many years ago. I thought maybe love was over for me. Love has no age. You deserve companionship. You deserve joy.
Me? At my age? After everything?
So, Ma, forgive me if this sounds sudden, but I would like to know you better.
God, you still remembered me, even in my weakness. We said she would never marry, but look at God, she is glowing.
You are not a mistake, and I will honor you all my life.
People mocked me. Some even said no man would ever stay with me. After all the insults, God finally showed up for my sister. Thank you for choosing me, even when I didn't choose myself.
You are worth choosing every day.
If you ever feel like giving up, don't. If you ever think it's too late, it's not. If you ever feel empty, God